by the way. Hello guys, it's me, Chocolate Stumble guys. And today we will be playing in the workshop, but let's see which one. This one looks easy. Today we're gonna playing maybe all the workshops, maybe not. Okay. Let's do this and look at my skin. I got new emotes. And these emotes are cool. I got the hug emote. The OG hug emote. Pretty cool. Let's play this, guys. Doesn't seem that hard. Okay. Bada boom. Bada boom. What? No. Yes. Go. Easy. No. Come on. No. No. Okay, good. I know it. Okay, why am I going down? How did I get hit? Go! Yes! Easy. I love you. Okay. Well, I do love my fans, but okay. Did it. Let's go. That was easy. I don't know if we're gonna be playing all of them. That's probably be pretty cool. Let's see. This looks easy. It's not just why it looks easy, it's just I get messages from the stars. Okay, waiting for it to load. Maybe sometime if I connect my thing to the computer, maybe I could live stream on Twitch or something. And no, I'm not alien. What did you think? Emo! What? Why? Please! Yes! No! Okay. Go! No! This is so easy, but bro. Are you kidding me? Now I can use my volleyball and see what happens. Bruh. Okay, I was trying to go on top. Go. Okay. Oh no, I get the iron. That was actually so easy, but that's start though. Okay, I felt. Do I still qualify? Step to it all, don't dare always you. Sorry, that's the music that I put earlier. Okay, let's do more of this. You guys love to see me pain and suffering, so. And this is what I got for suffering, so. You know. Find your dreams come true. And I wonder if you know. Wait. Wait, can you actually break these blocks though? Oh, you can't. I thought you could break the blocks. Wait. Okay. I'm gonna try to do something. Bam. Go! I was gonna die. You know. No! What? I didn't see that. Come on. No! Dude, save me, please. Let's go. Bro. That. No. You guys love to see me suffer. Yes. Let's go. What? Wait. I thought it was... What? Wait, what? That's a glitch. I just pressed volleyball. That's a glitch. That has to be, bro. How many? Well, let's do one more. I didn't say all of them. Let's see. I don't think I tried this one. I don't think. I might have. I don't think. Let's do this. Zoppity boppity 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 bop 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 bop. Okay. Boppity 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 bop 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 bop. My computer. Why is it listening to me? Come on. No. We gotta go. Hurry. No. What? Okay, this might be the hardest workshop one. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Go. Yes, no. Okay, say my spot. Go. Yes, no. Just go. Okay. Let me emote. I said let me emote. Thank you, no. Please. Yes. Okay, that's just heck. I was gonna say go. How that? And look, I'm a block dash kid, okay? I'm a block dash kid. Okay. Go. Oh. My battery. Go. Okay. I do this on an iPad, so. Wow. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Thank you very much. Well, guys, you gotta like and subscribe. You better have a good day playing Stumble, guys. You gotta check out that workshop right there. And I hope you have a great day. And also, guess what? I got added by Smaller Kyle on Twitch. I can't add him back because he has too many friends. Blue name. Let's go. Okay. Anyways, have a good day, guys. Bye.